Angibona munye ngizosa nesembe.
The baddest bitch from NST, that's empiricist. Bitches be jealous when I win, gives me so much bliss. They can't compare, that's why they mad, I'm who they wanna be. Stalking me, hating me, come to me and face me. Until you chilling, it's what you maybe.
Sanibonani baby, sanibonani bolala. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mbulela Austin Bali, also known as Kim. Ngiyatisha kule video le bekumele ngabe ngiyiposte nge-weekend yabo, but like angikhonanga because ngiyagula, angikhorise nanyalo, ngine-flu, but namuhla I feel very much better because vele bengisolo ngiyi-treated the past few days. Namuhla ngito attempta kwenda i-natural glam, and still keep in mind gore I am a beginner. Wangikutla gore ke reng? So yeah, ngito attempta kwenda i-natural glam, angikwati ke natural glam, but I need to make sure gore like whatever that I'm doing today, it go natural as possible. You understand? So that's what we're gonna do today. First, into primer buso bami. Someone might ask, "Hayibo Kim, manje why unga wipe buso bakho kuqala?" Buso bami angiwipe because already bugeziwe and sengiyendile skincare routines so shoda nje ukuthi ngifake nje i-primer nje kuphela. Angicabangi ngifaka i-concealer namuhla, angathi ukuthi indaba but angifuni kuyifaka. I don't know, like phela le look ngifuna ibe natural. Also ngifuna kuthenga le concealer le oil free yabo. The one that I have now ngibonile ukuthi no, like i-concealer le oil kakhulu, so ngifuna i-concealer le oil free so that if konguthi sengicala kwena lokwema eyeshadow yabo, lama eyeshadow ntonton akhona ekuhlala la mehlweni because le oil angiyithandisisi kahle i-concealer shame no shade. And ngibonile angathi ukuthi into ethenga nini probably leli viki leli, yeah, into ethenga maybe leli viki leli mangithola imali, but yeah, the way my brows abushing akhona buka ngiceda kwanantuza, but uyabona la ukuthi kanjani like ngifuna kwajuka lelanga la ka left li right, but lela ka right like nje agcwele and angikuthandi lokho. So athi ngwajuphe kancane nje kancane, and I'm using eraser. Ngiyakuthi ngithele lokho ngifuna ibe as natural as possible, natural glam wara, but I'm so tempted to do i-eyeliner shame guys. Like I love kudweba i-eyeliner, kuyangichaza like ngiyakupha hle, like ngiyakupha nje. I'm so tempted, I'm sorry. So today, la mehlweni la kuma eyelids, instead of putting concealer, I'm gonna put a foundation. Ngifuna kubona nje ukuthi into yende kanjani because namuhla ngiditshelele ukuthi angifuni kulo. Manje wayengivula la angifuni nje kusebenzisa i-concealer kakhulu namuhla shem nje vengiditshelile bese siclean. Angifuni nje kusebenzisa i-concealer kakhulu namuhla nje ngiditshelile because le look le ngifuna ibe as natural as possible. Like ngabonakala ukuthi hey Sam enela malanga i-eyeliner ngiyayijekisa Jona mawe. The way ngiyijekisa ngakhona i-eyeliner lamalanga, should I start ngithola kumele lasimane ngicala ngila angifuni kuyifaka kakhulu. I don't know if today ngizozama kwenda ama-eyeshadow, but we will see. This foundation is actually good, yeah. I can use it as a concealer, but I don't know. I got all my food and jungle. igama le-concealer yami, like it's not thick, which is what I love. Guys, angifuni icamba manga shem ne, angifuni shem icamba manga. Ngiyayithanda le foundation le as i-concealer la emehlweni. Ngiyathi ukuthi angithanga ngifuna i-concealer onjani, but like ngibona ngathi man i-right, akukho oil, kukahle nje, like ku-smooth. Wangikudla gore ke reng, wangikwishisha, uyangivisisa, uyangifrostana, uyang-understanda. Hayi shembod. Asenze eyeliner ke manje. Yeah, yabo le shem i-tricky shem elamalanga. Ngiyayitshekisa i-eyeliner. Yo. Mina ngifuna i-face kakhulu. Like ayifani, but ngitazama kuyilungisa ngala. Akukho bad. I think we can work on it. Ngizamile kuyilungisa. Like ayilingani, ayifani, but akukho bad. Anyway, let's continue, child. And mina shami iweather yanamuhla angiyivisisi ukuthi kahle kahle kwena njani. Angivisisi ukuthi kuyabanza kumbe kuyashisa. But at the same time kuyashisa, nanhlanye ngathi kuyabanza, angivisisi shem. Mandi lawa guys, mandi. Yo, I forgot to ukuthi ngidwebe ngalatul phela la kuma brows nge-foundation. I'm gonna use the Dakar foundation yaka LA Lab Toasted Hazelnut. Oh, that is the shade. So I'm gonna use that one ngidweba ngalatul. Hopefully shem akubi mess cause ngicetha kulcleaner. Yeah, real brush. And angifuni ukuyigcwalisa. Madoda kuyashisa shem. And ngiyadideka ukuthi kushisa kanjani because ekuseni bekubanza and lamalanga iweather iyabanza kumakhatha phela nyalo, so kuthi kushisa ngaliphi yabo iweather yala Jozi itokudida shem honestly, because what is going on now khuragaleng mase kunje. Khumbule phela ukuthi asifake i-concealer namuhla la, so kumele i-70 foundation. We're not using concealer today. Funche nje kucamba manga nangelo sidingo se-concealer angisiboni. Like sola angiyisebenzisi i-concealer la. And ngibona ngathi everything solo right. I don't know. But the eyeliner. I'm not sure about the eyeliner yet. I'm not sure about the eyeliner. But it's the one that's shame, honestly. But I'm not sure shame go to very like this connect with you. I can't think of it. I don't know. Last couple angifuni kufaka too much products. I don't know, but like nje angifuni shem la scope ukuthi i-foundation igcwale. I'm sure nani niyabona ukuthi la scope ngathi sona ngiso lesishoda kwa angifuni kugcusha i-foundation kakhulu ngiyazama but angifuni. No shading can book in the scope like sinebo cake it and I thinking look ukuthi ngihlanganise to my foundation because the lenye oily which is layer LA Lab and ngiyatisola njani nyalo ukuthi ngiyekwenteleni lokho probably maybe nasengifaka i-powder angeke uze kubonakala because what so ngaze ngayisola saze sangiphoca scope shem aha yo saze sangiphoca scope enine nginitshele what how saze sangiphoca scope shem la ugcina phakathi sengibonakala ngathi ngibhakekile ngiphume oven manje angifuni lokho yathi nje le tinto leti ngibathi yangenyanyisa maybe nangifaka i-powder kutoba ngcono. Also not forget to put the foundation la athi ngipsethe lo buso bese se after lapho sengifaka le powder because angisathembi lokho sathembi next sathembi lutho sathembi next sathembi lutho. By the way, the powder le ngiyaka LA Lab, the one that I used last week, yo shame damn because well, oh my god, Titi yaka ibutlhoku thata yo shame ngiyatisola yathi shem like ngizama kulota lelo nale eyeliner lokwe eye pencil kwakhona kuthi kube sharp like ngiyahlule. Yo shem, today is not my day volala no because what nah. So I'm gonna use the eyeliner for kudweba la ngaphasi kwemehlo ngifuna ke nengasikuba smoking yana. I don't know, I think the look it over much better njalo but angikho sure. You know what, asicale ngisendele letinye izinto lokuqala before ngena lokho because into yena lokho ilook very more shake. So anyway, since you guys know like I don't have a blush, but my blush thing now on my hands, I'm just gonna use lipstick as a blush. I don't know if like itosebenza kumenjani, but ngifuna kubona ukuthi kutoyina njani. Bitch, sorry. I'm gonna use lipstick as a blush. Ngifuna ukuba ukuthi angeke kuze kwendeke na. Honestly, I don't know if like it'll brush little right little for a blush, but we're gonna try. Okay. I don't like this brush. Let me look for another brush. I'll sebenzisa little brush leli. And little brush leli ngifuna ukusebenzisa for powder yathi ekugcineni. And my brushes ungasebenzisile. Let me see. Okay, this one still is as right. Hopefully it does work for a blush. Yeah, I think it does. It's doing the job. Liyawenza umsebenzi sana naloke. I'm not sure if you guys can see the blush, but it worked. It worked. It's about to lipstick as a blush, no. Oh my gosh, yabo le blush ngiyonje ino nje lengathi ingihambela kahle la kule look yami. Lo lokunye eyes angisanandzaba. More powder. I'm gonna put mascara. We are not doing lashes today because we want this look to be as natural as possible. Ngifuna kufaka ama eyeshadows, but like ngiyasaba. Ngiyasaba shame, because like what if ke ngimoshe? Should I do the eyeshadows, guys? I think I should. Ngitozaba. Angase ngifake ama eyeshadows before, but like ngitozama. So ngosebenzisa lama colors lawa. So I'm gonna start with this dark eyeshadow. Nje kusase soft glam ngona lo guys ngisebenzisele color le ish. I used this color for kufaka ngala maceleni yabo. So manje ngiyalo ngifuna kusebenzisa le lighter nyana kufaka ngala phambili. Let me blend first. Okay. Let me blend the eyeshadow. Thingy blend it. Qala. Ngiyende ngathi yaphuma. Yes. Awuboni ke. Ngibona moya, ngizosa December. Same palette no. Ngiyalo ngosebenzisa le color le. Hopefully nayibona. Okay, Bandengosi, let's blend. Yatini, let me use the same brush for blender as well, because the lang bana self full kakhulu. Hi Gabisham guys, I'm struggling a little brush. Let me use this one. Hopefully she can because you. But I kwendeki ngathi ayiblendekile into le. Madoda mina ngeke ngihlule into le ngakhulumi. Into le ngakhulumi le yangihlula ngoba i-physics ne-maths kuphela e-high school. Lolokunye So I decided to change palettes and then senyalo ngosebenzisa le palette lena le shade le. Is it a shade? Kumbe yini ngona lokho. Le ngathi gold. So angifuni ibe kakhulu. Ngisebenza ama blender la mara ngibona ngathi ngiyimoshile. Ngayo gold. Ngathi nje akusiyo. Askisini chembolala askisini yathi chemi ifuna isale yacima bese kumele ngijahe elo a charge yabo nje, hence angafeel nginaloko ema lips nalolo kunye nje, but ayikho into le 10 chem. This is the final look. Angicabanga ukuthi le kusase soft glam, akusase natural glam, le ngase natural glam that turned into a soft glam because of what? Hopefully guys niyangibona. How did I do? Ningirate kuma comments, and yeah, I'm a beginner, keep that in mind. So ngiyasho la ngokulala. For umuntu lo beginner, I think this is perfect. Like this is good. I did good, Shem. Yeah, I think I did amazing. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching Walala. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then next week. Mwah.